everybody, my name is Thomas and welcome back to Thomas's Tutoring. In the previous video we covered sequences in the intermediate level, and today we'll be doing sequences again, but in the advanced level. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. It's free, takes 2 seconds and helps me to make more of these videos. Don't forget to leave a like and comment down below if you want to see more of this type of content. And if you want to see the verbal reasoning and non-verbal reasoning side of sequences, make sure to let me know. And without any further ado, let's get cracking. So for our first exercise, we have to find what comes next after 1, 4, 9, 12 and 17. You'll have 15 seconds for this simple starter problem. Anyway, that was 19 seconds up, not 15. And in this problem, we have a sequence designed to make you think it has some correlation with the square numbers, when actually they don't. I mean, to be fair, they sort of do with the 1, 4 and 9, but it's just to try and trick you out. What we're actually trying to solve here is the number after 17. And if you notice, the numbers go 1, they add 3, and then they add 5, then they add 3, and then they add 5. And then, so if we add 3 onto 17, we get 20, which is our answer. And for our second exercise, we have the numbers 1, 5, 3, 7. No, wrong. I'm sorry, that's for the next problem. In the second exercise, we have a sequence where the numbers are 1, 6, 4, 9, 7, 12, and 10. And the next one you'll have to find, and you'll have 25 seconds for this problem. Okay, now it's 25 seconds up. This is another dual part sequence where it could also be interpreted as add 5, minus 2, add 5, minus 2, etc, etc. The two-part sequence is they both add on 3. So we could have 12, add 3, or 10, add 5. From both points of view, we would have 15. And would this make sense? Yes, because we are progressing from both 12 and 10. For the third problem, now we have the numbers 1, 5, 3, 7, 5. And the next one you have to find, you have 25 seconds again for this one. There's 25 seconds up. This is a pattern, like the last, where we add on an amount and then subtract an amount that isn't changing. But however, in this one, we are adding on 4 and subtracting 2. We have already subtracted 2. 7 minus 5. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. So now we add on 4 to 5, giving us our answer of 9. In the penultimate exercise, we have the numbers 15, 14, 19, 28, 23, 21, and we have to find the next one, and you'll have 30 seconds for this tough nut. That is 30 seconds up. This problem is again a dual part sequence. involving what seems like inference, but actually just common sense. Because you think it will go 14, 28, 21. What would be the next one be? But using your common sense, you'd find it was actually just plus 4, plus 4, plus 4. A bit of a trick question there, but 23 plus 4, 27. In our last but not least problem, we have the numbers 6, 5, 4, 1, 2, 3. And you have a whole minute for this, and I'll give you a hint halfway through. Okay then, so my halfway through clue, and that's in that. It's a dual part sequence, but it's not like the dual part sequences we've covered, and that is my clue for you. And now your time resumes again. Okay then, that is 1 minute up. So, well, it's an extra half a minute on from the pause. The two sequences are in fact 6, 5, 4, 1, 2, 3. And then following on from the 6, 5, 4, we have 3, 2, 1. However, it only asks for the single number, so 3. And bringing back my old 3 top tips and tricks, we have: be prepared to think outside the box. It might look almost impossible when in reality there is a very simple solution. Don't forget to analyze the numbers and any correlations they might have. And when I say correlations, I mean correlations within the sequence, not with an outside sequence. Which is why you could have gone tripped up on the one that I said don't think about the square numbers. And make sure to sense check your work, so you didn't put a 1 that looks like a 7, or if something wouldn't make sense as an answer. Sense check. And that's all I've prepared for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed and took something away with you. Make sure to leave a like and comment down below if you have any requests, queries, or suggestions. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And until the next video, have a nice day. Goodbye.